our setup and plan outlook. So literally today had a very nice trade, and price is moving nicely, market structure, each and everything, both external and internal structure. But I want to release one of my previous video to understand more about market structure on a single time frame, right? Without putting multiple time frames. And if you see here, we had the breakout structure, change of character, then a change of a breakout structure continuation. And the price came back to our supply zone, which is our bearish order block. It retested very well, then came back, and then it tested, took out liquidity, then continued the downside. But we didn't take this trade for some few reasons, and I'll explain that to the next video. Then on EU, you can see that on external market structure, the price is moving up. We had a change of character, then a breakout structure to the upside continuation. You can see it from here. This was a breakout structure, then change of character, then a breakout structure to the upside. Then we had to move to 15 minutes, our breakout structure to the upside continuation. And then the price is trying to react from this bullish order block. You can see it. It came back, reacted, then reacted, but still, that's why the most important thing, one of the most important things, is to wait for that confirmation, to get that confirmation to that trade before tapping in, before putting into your trade. Then you have to wait till you get confirmation from here. And now it's already, New York session is still on, but London session has already closed. Then I won't take that trade till tomorrow. And then my plan, we just wait for the confirmation from here. Then I'll buy. That will be scenario number 1. And scenario number 2, I wait for the price. If price disrespect this zone and then breaks this area, this zone, then I'll just wait for the break. Then we test, then a continuation to the downside, right? Then for G, I had the trade yesterday. It was very nice, and I also had that. It was here, and also I will share that I have that trade. I had that trade yesterday, and I have that video. I'm just editing. I have that trade recap. It was a very nice one, right? It was a very nice one. Although still moving to the downside, it was a 5R. And for it, you can see it's now just playing on my bearish, or this is our change of character to the downside. It's just playing around our sell breaker block, right? Our sell breaker block. After having the break of structure to the upside, then this was a bullish order block. Then after being disrespected, then turned into a bearish breaker block. And then I had to wait. I had the first touch, second touch, fourth touch. I didn't get that trade. But then later on, after waiting for over a full month, over a full month, then finally I got this trade. So when you move to 15 minutes, you can easily see that you have this still. Had this one, our first trade yesterday, then now we are focusing on the second one. Had the second one around here because at our order block, which was here the last from this area, you can see it. This was also our order block. We had it tap in, then it went down, although I didn't take that trade because it had the confirmation, but at that moment it had the break of structure. Then you had to waiting. Being patient is one of the most important things in this market, this game, right? And for UJ, you have to wait patiently. You can see it. You have to wait patiently. And for the BTC, it was a very nice one. I've been following BTC for a while, and now I'm starting to take some trades after for 2 to 3 months focusing before taking any trade. But I took a nice one. Because you had it when you come in our H1, you had the break of structure to the upside, then a change of character. Then I had to shift down to 15 minutes for our break of structure. Then you had a clean reaction from this area. From this order block, you can see it. He had a clean reaction from this order block. Then he had a break of structure to the downside. Then he had a clean reaction. Then he had our entry. Then had a clean pullback. You can see it now. We want a clean market, clean chart. But from here, you can see that we have our continuation. No, it's not. Now we're going to focus on now waiting for the price coming back, sweeping this liquidity. That will be our next scenario. Sweeping this liquidity, then you look for sell confirmation. That will be scenario number 1, and this will be our scenario number 2. If the price respect this, then you wait for the break, then we test, then a continuation to the upside. Okay guys, that's it. Peace out. Consistency is one of the most important things.